Your calendar is full, your guests leave 5 stars, and yet at the end of the year, you can't quite find the profit. This is the Short-Term Rental Owner P&L Turnover Workbook from Ardent Workshop. It's one file that shows you the true profit on every Airbnb and Vrbo stay after the channel's cut, the cleaner, the supplies, and the tax. Here's what a full calendar hides. The nightly rate is only the headline. The payout is what the channel sends. Neither one is your profit. A one-night booking still pays for a whole turnover, so its margin is the thinnest you take. And where a stay is booked changes what it makes, because a channel can take anywhere from 3 to 15%. This workbook nets every stay honestly, so the bookings that only felt productive stop fooling you. It starts with the Booking and Payout Log. Enter what the guest paid and a few costs, and it works out the channel fee, the payout that lands in your account, the true net profit after the cleaner and supplies, the margin, and the lodging tax on the stay. Pick the listing and the channel from drop-downs you set up once. No channel dashboard nets this out for you because none of them know what you pay your cleaner. Then it answers the question every host with more than one listing wants settled. Which property actually pays? The Occupancy and RevPAR tab computes occupancy, average daily rate, RevPAR, and net profit for each listing straight from your bookings. RevPAR blends your rate and how full the calendar is into one number. So a high-rate, half-empty listing and an always-full low-rate one can finally be compared on the same scale. Tax time stops being a scramble. The expense log captures the property's fixed costs, from mortgage interest to insurance to utilities, each tagged by its Schedule E category. The workbook then folds those, plus your per-stay costs, into a year-end summary. So your rents received minus every expense line is already computed when the year ends. The dashboard brings the whole portfolio into a few numbers: bookings, nights, gross, channel fees, payouts, cleaning, and total net profit, blended occupancy and RevPAR, a net profit by channel view that shows which channels are worth chasing, and that Schedule E year-end summary. Every value is calculated from your logs, so it stays current as you go. There's also a 6-stage turnover checklist and a supplies par list to keep the operation tight. And you own it. This sits right between a blank spreadsheet, where you'd build every formula yourself, and a monthly channel manager subscription that's overkill until you're running many properties. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click native Google Sheets copy. No subscription, nothing locked in someone else's cloud. Find the Short-Term Rental Owner P&L Turnover Workbook at ardentworkshop.com or on our Etsy shop. It's an instant download, evergreen, and yours to keep. There's even a free STR profit calculator to try first. Run your rental like the business it is and keep more of what every stay earns.